In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view cell history in Smartsheet. Being able to see who changed what and when is really helpful when you're collaborating with a team or tracking updates over time. Maybe a value suddenly looks different, or you want to confirm when a status was updated. The cell history feature in Smartsheet is designed exactly for that, and it's very simple to use once you know where to look. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open and that you're in the sheet where you want to review changes. You'll want to be in a grid-style view where you can see rows and columns clearly. Once your sheet is open, move your cursor to the specific cell whose history you want to review. It could be a status column, a date, an assignee field, or any other cell on the grid. Click once on that cell to select it. You should see a border appear around it, indicating that it's active. Now, instead of left-clicking again, you'll want to open the context menu. To do that, right-click directly on the selected cell. If you're on a trackpad or a Mac, this might mean using a two-finger click or holding down a modifier key while you click, depending on your device settings. The key idea is to bring up the cell's context menu. When the menu appears, you'll see a list of options related to that cell, such as editing, inserting, or formatting. Look through this menu for the option labeled View Cell History. The wording may be very close to that, and it will usually appear along with other data-related actions. Go ahead and click on View Cell History. As soon as you select it, Smartsheet will open a small window or panel that shows the history for that specific cell. Here, you'll be able to see previous values, who made each change, and the date and time those changes occurred. This can help you audit edits, restore information if needed, or simply understand how a value has evolved over time. When you're done reviewing the information, you can close the history window by clicking the close icon or clicking away from it, depending on how it appears in your version of Smartsheet. And that's all there is to it. Select the cell, right-click, and choose View Cell History to quickly see the full change log.